going to demonstrate row-level security. Looking at this, we can quickly and easily see our roles. Where am I right now? Well, I am not in an online editor. I've downloaded the workbook so that I can edit it from the desktop. In order to download a workbook, I will come back over to my workspace where I can see all of my objects within my workspace. And I'll go ahead and click on this report and download the file. From there, I can edit in the desktop. So if I wanted to add a role, for example, Canada, I simply have to indicate that I want the home country with brackets to indicate that it is a column to equal Canada. And now I can see and check how my roles are working. All right, so let's see if indeed I'm only filtering by Canada in this case. And now I can switch back over to the USA role. It's as easy as that to apply row-level security in Power BI. The only nuance is that it must be done from the desktop.